wrench. Which one do you think I need? Whoa, thanks for shining that flashlight in my eyes. Okay. Hey Leo, I need one that's bigger than this. Oh, that's bigger. Can I have the one that's in your hands? Oh. Well, Leo, that was it. Who would have believed? That was the right size wrench. Yeah, amazing, isn't it? Oh. Ooh. Thanks for sitting on my head.
Daddy!
Hey, Leo?
Daddy!
Can you get me a towel, Leo?
Yeah.
Can you get me a towel? Whoa. Thanks. Can you get me a towel out of the drawer? They're in here, Leo. In this drawer. Yeah, will you get me a towel?
Yeah.
Oh, how about... We're getting low on dish. Ooh, how about this? Yeah, will you bring that over here, please? Okay, can I have that? Thank you. Okay, you see this nut? You see this nut that's spinning? See that one? Yeah, that's the one I loosened with the wrench you gave me.